Let's start off with Australia, and I'll just go down to weekly charts so we can get a bit finite. Okay, so nice green candle this week. As you probably saw, I've put out a few videos this week about options to switch out of Australia. Do I think it's going to crash? No. But is it going to go up another 10%, 20%? No. And we'll get into that as to why. So Vas, again, looking the same. A200, basically the same, looking the same. XFJ, so this is our banks. They've broken out of that uptrend channel. But this fella here, CBA, there's the shooting star video I put out. So that looks pretty bearish for CBA, so that's not going to be good for XFJ. Iron ore, we still have broken that uptrend line there. So there's no bullishness in that iron ore price. So if we look at the materials index, the other major part of our share index, it's still being capped by the dome, the iron dome. Although some of those iron ore miners had to bounce today, or bounce this week, I should say. Now this is going to be, actually we'll just peel out to a monthly. A fund manager's dilemma, this one. So this is the materials over the financials index. So for a fund manager to outperform the index, he's basically got to take a bet on not going overweight banks or overweight miners. So at the moment, well, since September 23, you want to be overweight the banks. But you can see there is a clear trend here. So back in this period, you want to be overweight the miners. So at this stage, we haven't broken that downtrend yet, so it's still overweight financials. But if you're a fund manager, that's what they're deciding on at the moment. Atec, so our little tech industry. Unfortunately, it's not a big enough part of our index to make any real difference. But even though it's really stalling on a PE of 100, and the FANG's on 45, so